Welcome. Today we are going to learn about the perimeter of polygons. We will learn what that means and how to calculate the total distance around any shape. First, let's make sure we know what a polygon is. A polygon is any closed, two-dimensional shape made entirely of straight lines. Triangles, rectangles, and squares are all common examples. So, what is perimeter? The perimeter is simply the total length of the boundary around the outside of a closed figure. Imagine you are walking all the way around the edge of a shape. The distance you walk is the perimeter. Calculating the perimeter is actually very easy. The general rule is, perimeter equals the sum of all sides. You just need to add the length of every outer side together. Let's look at a triangle. Here we have three sides measuring 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. To find the perimeter, we add 5 plus 5 plus 6. This gives us a total of 16 centimeters. Now for a rectangle. This rectangle has a length of 10 meters and a width of 4 meters. Remember, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So we add 10 plus 4 plus another 10 plus another 4. The total is 28 meters. Here is a regular hexagon, meaning all 6 sides are equal. Each side is 3 centimeters. You can add 3 6 times, or you can simply multiply 6 sides by 3 centimeters. Either way, the perimeter is 18 centimeters. What if the shape is irregular? It works exactly the same way. Just identify every side length and add them up. 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 33 total units. Why is this useful? Imagine you need to build a fence around a garden. To buy the right amount of fencing, you need to calculate the perimeter of your yard. If your yard is 20 meters by 12 meters, you calculate the distance around it to know how much wood to buy. To wrap up, remember these key points. A polygon is a shape with straight sides. The perimeter is the distance around it. To find it, you simply use addition to sum up every single side length. And always double-check that you didn't miss a side.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.